Hello, lovely people. Welcome, welcome. So, today we are in Abrakrum in the central region of Ghana. Took us almost 3 hours just to get here today. We are restocking the African black soap. Now, if you've ever used African black soap, I'm going to show you in a minute how the process, actually how it's made. It's quite labor intensive. It's a lot of hard work. I had no idea how much work that actually goes into making African black soap, but now I have an idea. I'm tired just from being here, you know, so I can only imagine just how tiring and exhausting these people actually are. I hope you enjoy. If you do enjoy it, please share it, subscribe to our tiny channel, and do stay tuned for more beautiful, awesome content. Thank you so much. See you soon.
But you wear this work and Janaka regimen. I knew you white one, once I make a different white one. Your chirpy is Januswa, you could see why you can tell the Sisuna, a 2 hour William. At this stage, you are untribute, not today, Gina style, you're starting at the Yabo. So maybe I'm got butter. Yeah. Huh? No, the man on cannot have no owner, over church in or cannot have. Yeah.
Man, this is a lot of hard work. So this is the process of making African black soap. As you can see, it takes quite a bit of work. I'm not the one working, but just look how sweaty I am. Basically drenched in sweat from head to toe. So that should give you an idea of how hard he's working right now, because I'm not doing anything besides holding the camera, and I'm practically tired. Me cry na me nyejuma bi no. Na me sweat say yo. I can only imagine this. Oh no.
There made my me demi. On the man, oh yeah, yache almost. Oh yeah, my friend, 50 something years.
Oh wow.
Oh yeah, yache, and no mammy no ye. And no over show no mammy film no be soon. And she yama ye, Jumano. Fine, masters and will be more. Masters and will be more. It's all got a Jumay, Okoto door, Okoto Yankasi. Never see what. That's a me, mamma, may ya.
Give it to me exactly.
Yes, Miss me, Mamma, ya must mean yeska. And I don't know. One sabam one of Miss Ide, alcohol, who be answered, say, New York.
Yeah.
Ha,
No crack, no crack, no crack.
Jimmy, me say, what from a Jumas, I mean, my yamma. No, my camel, no cratch or there. May bar made you say. Medi dimu, means you know, maybe be up some year, Juman, we are, and Namu Crano, a come. What's ya, no, my bear with Mamma, because I had a yen if you. Nti ma yi me ye adwuma no ma wi a me wodan wo ha metuma ayede
Akodam.
ha adwuma we de masa anya yizo we je ho adwuma anya yize ni adwuma we ya anka Gambia kwa minimu wo Salalo anka minimu wo South Africa minimu wo Burkina anka minimu wo Mali anka minimu.
Oh wow.
Ya kan say Kamaru anka minimu. Nigeria anka minimu. Benin anka minimu.
Oh wow.
Wo.
E di wasu kwan pa.
Adwuma we adwuma tutu kwan a ba bia South Africa countries ya. Ba bia wo ye adwuma no. Me matuma akwa de akogu. Aha.
So that's my mom. What she likes to do is she likes to filter all the impurities out of the black soap first before we even pound it. Mate, getting the black soap ready for market is no easy task. Let me show you. It's quite a bit of work. But this is how black soap is manufactured and produced. So all the black soap that you see and you get to use is literally how it's done. No two ways around it. And we need to add a little bit of water. Just the right amount of water. Not too much, but not too little. And then now you can start pounding with a little bit more pressure and a bit more force. Voila. There you go. 1 pound, 16 ounces. Actually, I have a trick question for you. A pound of black soap and a pound of feathers. Which one weighs more? Let me know in the comment section, yeah? A pound of black soap and a pound of feathers. Which one is gonna weigh more? Just let me know.